Hi, to install GPT Widget on your POCO F6, we will need to open Play Store first, and here just enter this name Wally AI. After that, find this icon and install this app. So let's just wait a couple of seconds, and now we can open it, so let's do it now. Here we can skip this introduction, then go to Open Permissions, select AI Assistant, and here we will need to enable to allow display over other apps. Now simply go back like that and click this button to start. And now you can see this AI widget appears on the screen. You can tap it to open and ask him to do anything. For example, let's ask him to write a story. Then confirm by pressing the check mark here, and within a couple of seconds you'll see the story on your screen. You can copy it, paste the notes for example, and to close this widget you'll need to simply tap any free space on the screen, and here you can see this widget which you can drag anywhere across the screen, and to remove it just drag it down like that and it would be done. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.